Your car is not a power strip. Think of accessory power as a very small elevator. Every outlet and circuit has limits. More adapters do not create more capacity. Check the vehicle manual, the outlet label, and the accessory instructions for the limits that apply to your car. Loose, damaged, discolored, producing an unusual odor, or abnormally hot. Stop using that accessory. Do not keep testing it. Stack another adapter on it, or take energized equipment apart. A fuse protects a circuit. Repeated fuse failure means diagnose the fault. Never install a larger fuse as a shortcut. Have a qualified professional handle non-factory wiring, fuse tap power, or permanent installation. Following both sets of instructions. Fix the electrical risk first. Then build the road kit with OUGIST portable commuter car, fire safety kit, and heat-activated aerosol automatic fire extinguisher. Verified details. OUGIST.com